Today we are doing beach makeup, and before you say anything, why does she wear makeup to the beach? Why does she wear so much makeup to the beach? Because I'm an adult and I can do whatever I want. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and keep watching. Today we are doing a beach makeup tutorial. This is a very lightweight makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna get started because you guys had asked for this for so long, and my number one thing about this is you really need to just fake tan, especially if you want to look good. Today obviously I am not fake tan and I don't want to put it on because I just don't want to put it on, but this is one of my favorite ones. It's Loving Tan Gradual Tanner and Dark, my favorite. You guys will not be disappointed. I have my Roden & Fields 50 sunblock. I love this stuff. It doesn't break me out, and it's thicker than what I like, and I like to use it in the summer. I also have the Clinique City block that I was using during the winter, but I've noticed that this stuff really does its job, so I just slather this everywhere, no matter if I'm wearing makeup or not to the beach. But you guys, I do wear makeup to the beach just because I want to, and that's your preference. If you want to beat me up about it, go ahead and comment below, but I don't know why you wear makeup to the beach. Because I want to. Next, put on a lighter weight foundation just because I don't go full glam to the beach. It's just not something I do. I'm gonna do a lightweight oil-free foundation. This is from Too Faced. This is the Peach Perfect. I really do like this foundation. It's not sheer, it's like an in-between coverage. It's very buildable. And I just mixed two colors, Porcelain and Swan, and I mixed them together for that color, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. As you guys could see, I put on sunblock, so that's like a number one thing for me because my melasma and sunspots, I really don't want it to show, but the more things I put on my face, the more it's blocking out my skin. But melasma also is aggravated by the heat, so no matter if you're in the sun or not, if you're hot, it shows up the worst during the summertime. So you guys, if you suffer, if you suffer from melasma, you just know that it's really bad during the summer. So just try to keep it try to keep it in control. And also, if you put on like bleaching creams and things like that, don't go in the sun at all. It's just, don't risk it. Don't go in the sun if you're using that kind of product. So once I'm done with my skin, as you can see, it is medium to full coverage, buildable. To me, it's full coverage right now. I feel like I put on a lot, but that's what I do. You can see my discoloration around my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my Becca Backlight Primer. You guys, this is just my regular everyday makeup routine, just a little bit less eye makeup. I just wear mascara. Typically, I just wear mascara to the beach. I just like to look good all the time. You know what I mean? Like, not good, but like presentable for my standards. So I'm just gonna go and not full on do the whole concealer thing because I don't really need to. I'm probably gonna get wet. So, I just don't need to do that. I just want to kind of get that discoloration out of there. A lot of you guys won't use all this at the beach, and that's okay. I'm just doing what I do to the beach. Supergoop has a mineral powder. You could just use this if you have really good skin. Just dust it on your skin. It's SPF 45. Just dust it a little bit on. It's the container's a little bit finicky, so I don't like to use it. I just use a regular kabuki and with the powder and just kind of rub it into my kabuki brush. It is kind of messy, but the price you pay for powdering your face with SPF. I love this powder. So I went ahead and I threw on a brow. You guys, I look so white right now from this lighting. Camera's washing me out. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some bronzer. Doing lips, and this is the Roden & Fields SPF 25 lip balm. I hate grapefruit flavor, and this is grapefruit. I hate it, but it works really good, and it's SPF. I hate grapefruit. I'm gonna go over it with a Ofra liquid lipstick because I hate the pigmentation of my lips and my freckle. So I'm just gonna dab that on real quick. Sunblock. You need to wear sunblock to the beach. So what I do is I use sunblock as a setting spray as well. Get your whole face. A lot of people say the mist is not enough. So what I do is I use cream first and then I use mist. So I use both Neutrogena, but I love the mist. And I use it as just make sure you don't get it near your eyes, but I use it as like a setting spray, which is like probably not the best, but incredible. And you just put it on your chest, your neck, every inch of your body, your scalp. The next big item I wear to the beach, a hat, guys. I wear a hat that completely covers my whole face. This one's nice because it doesn't fly off in the wind, and I really like it. So I like this one. It just doesn't fly off in the wind, and it covers my whole face, like my melasma area, things like that. But then I love this. Target. This is something you can put in your bag, just throw in your bag. But look at this thing. It's a roll out. I'm gonna link all of this stuff in an Instagram highlights, okay? So this thing, I just feel like a pool mom. Velcro, roll it up, and you're good to go. So I keep this in my purse at all times, especially if I go to the park. Super easy, but like I said, just make sure you sunscreen your scalp because it will burn, especially where I live in San Diego. I can't tell you how many times I've burnt my scalp thinking that the sun's not gonna hit it. So I always wear hats, but I love this as well because it covers the whole deal here. I hope you guys liked this video. Also, I really recommend really good sunglasses because especially us people with lighter eyes, you can burn your retinas a lot faster. With darker eyes, it's not as easy to burn your retinas, but of course you can burn them, and then that's what causes issues later on. My uncle and I, we have really green eyes, and we see the same eye doctor, and she told me, she's like, you guys have such light eyes, you need to wear protection because it's clear, so it can just burn right into the area. I could be totally wrong, I'm not a doctor, but you guys, I like polarized sunglasses. Just kind of invest in a better sunglass than just going to get the cheapy ones. You need UVB rays and all of the sun ray ones to kind of block out the haters. You know what I mean? You gotta block out those haters. There's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will put all of the products down in a highlight reel above here on Instagram. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys later.